High traffic areas and high touch common surfaces are sanitized using Decon 7 spray. Here's how it's done. Before sanitizing in any space, thoroughly clean it so it is free of dust and dirt. Spray D7 solution onto a clean cloth. Caution: always wear disposable gloves when handling Decon 7 solution. Using the cloth, wipe down all high-traffic, high-touch common surfaces, including these: doorknobs, stair rails, countertops, touchpads, phones, desktops, tables, chairs. High-traffic areas include receptions, conference rooms, offices, lounges, elevators, bathrooms, hallways, exercise rooms, classrooms, vehicles. At least once a day, do a more thorough sanitizing of the same areas using the following procedure. 1. Put on a surgical face mask so you do not inhale D7 spray. 2. Spray the surface directly. Use a coarse spray setting at 10 to 18 inches away from the surface. 3. Leave the D7 on the surface for 10 minutes. 4. After 10 minutes, use a clean microfiber cloth that has been dampened with water to wipe down the surface to ensure no residue remains. If any D7 solution is left in the bottle for any period of time, unscrew the top to allow airflow. This will prevent the solution from foaming. After 8 hours, the D7 solution is no longer fully effective. If any D7 remains, use it to disinfect toilets. Pour it in the toilets and flush. Thoroughly rinse the spray bottle with water. Bathrooms are sanitized using D7 every few hours. Spray directly on each surface. Leave the D7 on for 10 minutes. Then use a cloth that has been dampened with water to wipe off these surfaces: doorknobs, stall doors, sink areas, countertops. Toilets are wiped down using paper towels. Using Decon 7 spray is a powerful way to keep your spaces disinfected.